Tired of a jammed contact list on your Android? Let's clear it all out in just a few simple steps. First, locate and tap on your Contacts app. This is usually represented by an icon that looks like a silhouette of a person or a dial pad. Once you're inside your Contacts app, you'll see your entire list. To begin the deletion process, we need to access the menu. Look for 3 vertical dots, often found in the top right corner of the screen, and tap on it. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Manage Contacts or something similar. This will take you to a screen where you can control your contact settings. On this Manage Contacts screen, you should see an option to delete or delete contacts. Tap on that option. Now, you'll likely be presented with a way to select the contacts you want to remove. To delete all of them efficiently, look for a Select All option or a checkbox that allows you to mark every single contact in your list. Tap on that now. With all your contacts selected, you should now see a delete icon, which is typically a trash can symbol, often located at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap that delete icon. You'll then be prompted with a confirmation message, asking if you're absolutely sure you want to delete all selected contacts. To proceed, tap Delete or OK to confirm your choice. And that's it. Your entire contact list on your Android phone is now cleared, giving you a fresh start and saving you a lot of time and effort.